Did you know there are 9 types of nouns in English? Let's go through them, quick and easy. Number 1, common noun, general names, like city or teacher. Number 2, proper noun, specific names, like London or Einstein. Number 3, countable noun, things you can count, like apple or car. Number 4, uncountable noun, things you can't count, like water or air. Number 5, abstract noun, ideas and emotions, like love or freedom. Number 6, concrete noun, physical objects, like table or dog. Number 7, collective noun, groups of things, like team or. Number 8, compound noun, 2 words combined, like toothpaste or basketball. Number 9, gerunds, verb-like nouns ending in ing, like swimming is fun. Now you know all 9 types of nouns. Keep learning and improving your English. Like, share and subscribe for more quick grammar tips.